Ever wanted to face the unsettling charm of Amanda, the adventurer's secrets right in your pocket? Today, we're diving into how you can bring this interactive horror right onto your mobile device, letting you unravel its mysteries wherever you go. Forget cumbersome PCs. Your phone is about to become your portal to fright. First things first, you'll need to secure the official mobile version. Head over to your device's app store, whether it's the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. In the search bar, simply type Amanda the Adventurer. Be sure to look for the official application to ensure you're getting the genuine experience. You'll recognize it by its distinctive branding. Once you've found it, tap that familiar install or download button. The game is optimized for mobile, so it should download and install quickly, preparing you for the scares ahead. With the installation complete, it's time to launch. Tap on the icon you just downloaded. You'll be greeted with the game's atmospheric title screen, setting the mood for what's to come. The core gameplay remains intact. You'll be presented with those infamous VHS tapes, and your choices will matter. Solve puzzles, make decisions, and try to uncover the chilling secrets that lie within, all through intuitive touchscreen controls. Navigating the eerie environments, interacting with objects, and responding to Amanda's increasingly unsettling requests is all designed to be seamless on your mobile. Swipe, tap, and explore as you piece together the narrative. Whether you're on your commute, taking a break, or just want a quick dose of psychological horror, Amanda the Adventurer on mobile brings the unsettling adventure directly to your fingertips, anytime, anywhere. So go ahead, download it, and see if you can survive Amanda's embrace.